YouTube. It's been a long time. So, how else do I announce my return to this platform other than hopping on new trends? So, do you guys know what Pokémon is? Well, if you do, and if you're cultured, you know Pokemon's been blowing up like crazy. So, I thought, hey, how about I return with a Pokemon unboxing? So yeah, after being gone for a long time, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do some Pokemon unboxing. So yeah, just got back from Walmart, saw this, and I had to snag it because A, I haven't done one of these things in a while, and B, I need to update my Pokemon collection. So yeah, first, this is what the back looks like. Front, it comes packed with, if this will go into focus, packed with Pokemon treasures, 3 foil cards featuring Grookey, Scorbunny, and Swabble, 5 TCG booster packs, and much more. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3. Thank God I'm above the age of 3. The side says, a treasure chest packed with Pokemon. This sturdy metal case contains more than a dozen special Pokemon goodies, including many not found anywhere else, such as Pokemon TCG packs, 3 foil cards, cool Pokemon coin featuring Grookey, Scorbunny, and Swabble, 4 color sticker sheets, a mini portfolio to store your favorite cards, a Pokemon notepad featuring Sword and Shield, a code card for the Pokemon TCG Online. I'm pretty sure you can find all of this if you look. Anyway, so we're just going to unbox this. And once again, my hands disappear out of frame. I'll come back to you in a moment. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, so it's open. I finally defeated my first enemy in a while. So this comes off. If you guys want to look at this again, go right ahead. If this ever focuses for the life of me, please. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Sight again. Why am I shaking so much? I don't know why I'm shaking. Anyway, so yeah, it's just a giant lunchbox featuring the Pokemon from Sword and Shield. I can't pronounce their names, nor am I going to try. So, just gonna open this. Wow. Isn't that something? So, first we have a small plastic tray featuring Grookey, Scorbunny, and Swabble, and a coin featuring the 3 of them. Isn't that cool? I'm not gonna take these out, cause, well, why bother? And just gonna pass them off to the side. So, now we have the actual packs themselves. We're gonna dive right in. Let's see what we got. Okay, so here's the code. If you guys want to use this, there's a QR code if this ever focuses. There we go. There's a QR code. There's just a regular code. Use that if you want. So the packs we got today were... hold up. Just let me organize myself real quick. Okay. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Sun and Moon Burning, or Crimson Invasion. Evolutions. Sword and Shield. Sword and Shield. So, out of the 5 that we have, I'm gonna start with Burning Shadows just because. Why not? Come on. There's a technique on how to open this. There's a technique on how to open this. There we go. Okay, so isn't it, okay, so here's the code card, if you guys want to look at that. Okay, Isn't it 1, 2, 3? Actual seahorse. A piece of the moon. Right on. Caterpie. Mushrooms. Dabbing Duskull. Blueberry. Fish. Noibat. And we have an Alolan Raticate. Also, Noibat was shiny, so that one's special. Oh, and then we have energy. Okay. So that was the first card. That was the first pack, I should say. I'm gonna open Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion again. There's a way to open this. There's a technique on how to open this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you guys probably saw the first one. I don't care. There's the code. There's the QR code. Is it? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 because of the energy. Okay, water energy. Double-headed dragon. Trainer. Haunter. Alolan Geodude. Weedle. Skiddo. Starly. Corpfish. Gyarados GX. Let's go! Okay, second pack in, and we already have a Gyarados GX. I do not have this. So, that's one card that's one new GX I do not have. Whoops. Gonna move all that. Okay. Next up is Evolutions. I really like the Evolutions, like, card pack designs. There's just something about them that I really like. Okay, so. There's the card. With Evolutions, I don't know how many from the back, so we're just gonna 1, 2, 3. Hopefully. Okay, so we got it. I think this was the good card. That we got a Charmeleon, Venusaur Spirit. What is Spirit Link? Hold on. Your turn does not end if this. That doesn't. Okay, that doesn't tell me anything. Trainer, Voltorb. Diglett, Caterpie, Poliwag, Pikachu, a Doduo, and a Starmine. Okay. Just gonna clear the area. Okay. So we got these two left. Hey, what is in my pocket? Sorry, sidetrack. Anyway, we're gonna open Shield first, just because. Okay. I don't know. Okay, here's the code card. It is, I don't know, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna. Okay, hopefully, I think I'm doing this right. Okay! Big Boy Sheep. Duck Trio. Switch. Grookey. Horse. Hoot Hoot. Porcupine. Vulpix. Snorlax. Drampa. And an energy. Okay. Oh, yeah, Snorlax is shiny. Shiny. Okay, we're gonna clear out the area. Oh yeah, and the last one is the Shield Dog. Okay. There's the code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hop. Pokegear 3.0. Piece of Stick. Elephant. Boltoy. Cthulhu. Snake. Skunk on steroids. Crocodile. Oh! Oh my god! Let's go! Rainbow Rare Snorlax VMAX. This is, people, this is good, right? Okay, it's Rainbow Rare, first of all, you know it's good. But is this a good Rainbow Rare to have? Wow. So we got Gyarados GX and a Rainbow Rare. Wow, this isn't pretty insane. Just gonna put those off to the side gently. I'll have to research this if Snorlax Rainbow Rare GX is good. It is, because it's a Rainbow Rare, but how good out of the Rainbow Rares is it? Okay, now we have what Uh... 1, 2, 3, 4 sticker sheets. Notebook. And this thingy. This thing. Okay. Where's... So, these are all the cards I got so far. Now I have 3 levels. Which means I have to... okay, so, I'm going to... okay, so Flygon... okay, so Flygon was on the back of Magearna EX. So okay, so to whoever, to you, the viewer, if you are super, like, if you take Pokemon super serious, and you grade all of your cards, and you wear gloves, if you're one of those viewers and you're watching my Pokemon videos, I am so sorry if I am triggering or pissing you off for just handling my precious Pokemon cards with my goblin hands, okay? If you click off the video, go right ahead. If I am pissing any Pokemon people, collectors, whatever you're called, if I'm pissing you off and you click off, that's completely okay with me, okay? So, let's Spider-Man off. Okay, so... who's on the package? Aerodactyl. Rainbow here. Swap out. This thingy. This thingy. Which one does this? Okay, so rainbow here. There. We'll show off the boys. 3 rainbows. Ninja GX goes behind Magearna. Flygon EX that it's called this one goes there. Okay. So, yeah. So once again, once again, for all my Pokemon collectors, all the Pokemon that take it super serious. These are my cards. I don't know if any of these cards are worth anything. That's a Holon's Magneton, that's an EX Delta species. Never heard of it. Mega Rayquaza, Blastoise, there's Charizard, Charmeleon, Charmander, Machamp, Dark Arbok, Chansey, there's Leafeon EX, Rayquaza GX, there's Whitney, there's the boys, the three Rainbow Rares, there's Lycanroc GX, Zygarde GX, Lucario GX, Entei, Incineroar, another Entei, there's a Dusknoll, Lion, but how do you say his name? Necrozma GX, Alakazam EX, Magearna, Celebi, and Venusaur. There's Golden card. There's those two. There's a Charizard GX, Lapras, Palkia, Greninja, Gyarados, Goat, my Pikachus, Forbidden Light, my promo cards. They have words on them. There's my Arceus, which if anybody wants more. What does it mean? Why does my Arceus say level 100? Is that a good thing? And then there's all of my Shining. I got the Shining Mew, Shining Arceus, Shining Lugia, and then the Shining Jirachi, and then there's all my, what are these called? Prism cards? I don't know. I stopped collecting these a while ago. I don't know if anything's good or not. And I'm too busy to Google or to search up. What do I search up exactly? So, yeah, this has been my return / an unboxing video. Thank you my 55 subscribers. I haven't posted in God knows how long, and yet my subscriber count is going up. Thank all of you who subscribed. I thank you. Here, the duo thanks you. So once again, if you're new to this channel and you subscribe, and if you're new to this channel, hit that sub button. If you're a long-time subscriber, like the video. If you collect Pokemon cards and I pissed you off for how I'm treating them, leave a comment below. Have a nice day and stay safe during COVID.